barbed wire in my breath, sunset bleeds out on the plains where the wild wind grieves. Town lights flicker like a memory's flame, but they don't call and they don't say my name. Train tracks cry through the midnight haze. Steel guitar weeps in a broken phrase. Your shadows dance in the saloon's glow, but you're long gone down a darker road. Thunder rolls like a judge's tone. Heaven knows I ride alone. It rains on me alone, cold as a heart turned stone. Skies falling down on a man unknown, out where the lost boys roam. No roof, no mercy shown, just a six string and the undertone of a love neon buzzing like a dying star. Empty bottle on the hood of my car. Your name still burned in the back of my mind like a brand I never left behind. Sheriff says a man moves on, but he ain't heard this lonesome song. Every mile's just more regret, a debt to a love I can't forget. Lightning writes what I should've known. Every outlaw dies alone. It rains on me alone, cold as a heart turned stone. Skies falling down on a man unknown, out where the lost boys roam. No roof, no mercy shown, just a six string and the undertone of a love that's dead and gone. Yeah, it rains on me alone. If I could trade this outlaw name, lay down pride, lay down blame, I'd break these chains with bleeding hands and build us back on promised land. But the desert keeps what it takes, and a hard man bends till it breaks. It rains on me alone, like heaven's turned to stone. Every drop cuts to the bone on this road I've always known. No hands left to hold, no fire left to own, just the echo of your tone. Yeah, it rains on me alone. So let it pour till the bronze sky's gone, till the good Lord calls me home. If love's the price for the life I've sown, it rains on me alone.